Alright guys, I'm checking out this diamond Vogel paint. I'm in Iowa right now doing some work, and man, this stuff, even the cheap, this is the lowest grade commercial product, very inexpensive, and still covers good, rolls really nice. I'm going to tell you, if you're out in Iowa or in the region where they have this diamond Vogel, I would check them out. Just painting this wall. I can't show the rest of the wall. I'm just painting this wall, did some texture on it, and paint's still drying, and I'm really amazed. Pretty cheap. Man, it was cheaper than anything in California. I would pay about $5 or $6 more a gallon for this kind of a product, and it's decent paint. So check them out, guys. Talk to you next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.